Welcome to Growing Spaces. Today we're not out in the dome, we're here in the kitchen, and this is all produce that I harvested this morning from our 15-foot growing dome that we've been growing in this winter. It's really exciting because we've been, we set out last October to see how much produce we could grow in that 15-foot growing dome, and we hadn't done an experiment like that before here at Growing Spaces. We're going to plant some short season crops like lettuces and things like that until we can move into planting some warm season crops like peppers and tomatoes again next month. So at this point I needed to harvest all of this so that we could make room for some rejuvenation in the garden, and we're here to share this with you today and also with all of the Growing Spaces employees. These are some really lovely turnips, and I just washed them off. Turnips are good in soup. You can mash them kind of like potatoes also, or just saute them. I have one beet. There's still some other beets in the greenhouse that are still working on maturing. Back here behind, here I'll lift it up so you can see, there's some fenugreek. It's an herb. Actually the seeds are used in Indian cooking, but it also is just really good in salad. This is really beautiful. This is Ruby Streaks mustard. So these are mustard greens. Add a little bit of a pep to your salad. Got a little bit of cilantro, despite the fact, I love cilantro. Despite the fact that this is a warm season crop, it actually produced a decent amount. I've got a whole bunch of chervil. It's a French herb, and it's used, it goes really well with eggs, and it's also used in soups. We also harvested some Swiss chard today. This is definitely our most bountiful and productive crop. We have a couple different kinds. This is Bright Lights chard, so you can see the really pretty different colored veins, the yellow and the red. We've also got a whole bunch of just mixed greens. This is arugula and mizuna mostly. Hope you enjoyed joining us, talking about all of the things that we harvested today. It's really amazing what we were able to grow in that 15, and we're going to continue harvesting, and I'm looking forward to some of those warm season crops, tomatoes and peppers. I know those are kind of a boon for everyone. So we're going to get to enjoying this, and we'll see you next time.